Hey guys, it's Angie. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. Today I want to bring to you a few of my Sunday sales or my weekend sales that I had the weekend. I guess it's October 4th, I think, today. I didn't have a whole lot of sales this weekend, but decent. It looks like I sold 16 items this weekend. Total for $449.59. It was a little bit of a slow weekend for me, and that's okay. I was doing a lot of things this week, so I haven't been listing as much as I should, but I just want to share with you some of the items that sold so you can see what's selling for me on my eBay. Okay, the first item that I sold was this Trailer Life RV Repair Manual. I love selling books. I got this at the bin. It was paperback, so it was only 50 cents, and it sold for full asking price of $24.95, and they paid shipping. Then this is a Rocksmith hat. I've had this thing, this little bucket hat. Warning, explicit content. I don't know if this is a band. Is Rocksmith a band? I have no idea. But I had seen it, I think last summer at the bins, and I picked it up. And it only sold for $9.95 plus buyer paid shipping. But I'm happy to have a stale inventory item out the door. This has been a weekend of some Christmas items. I did sell this. It's a Mr. Christmas 7-foot tree. And I showed 2 pictures of theirs, and then we show the actual items so you can see. Whoa, it's a little crooked. In my living room, there's the tree, and you can see it there. You can see my whale pictures. I like whales. We're in Florida though, so. We're in Florida, I say, like we have whales here in the Gulf of Mexico, but we don't. So anyways, that sold for $99. That went free shipping. It hasn't gone anywhere. I haven't shipped it yet. So let me see, how far am I having to send this? It's always like a crapshoot, because if it's California, I made money. If it's East Coast, I made great money. So it's going to South Carolina, yay! So that means lower shipping for me. So I'll take that. That's great. And then I have, oh, and by the way, I got this. Let me go back. This tree I got in a QVC palette. I have about $3 per item in. There's always a few items that end up being so say maybe $4. So that was a great profit. That was one of the best items in that palette. The next things are these biker boots. I call them little biker boots. They have interior zip. I got these in a palette from a liquidation company here in Florida. Normally I'd be like, yay, I love these. But I got, I think, 40 pairs of this one and one other boot that wasn't as nice wasn't as cute looking. I got like 80 pairs. So I was really disappointed. Sometimes when you get liquidation, they tell you, oh, it's going to be like a wide variety. And then you end up stuck like I did with 80 pairs of the same black boots, the same exact size, and then 40 pairs of these motorcycle boots, the exact same size. So if I had a variety of sizes, I'd have been super happy, but unfortunately they were all size 9.5, and I've been selling them for a year now, and I think I still have about 25 or 20 of them or so. So would not buy from this particular liquidation company again for footwear, because I really think that they kind of duped me when it comes to boots. Okay, the next thing I sold was this 1994. It's one of those animated Santas. He lights up, he plays music, really cute. He is a black Santa, and I've had him for a bit. But I got him after Christmas last year, so I probably had him since February, but here it is October, so he sold $24.95, and the buyer paid shipping. This is another item that I got off that QVC palette. The Temptations bakeware and things. They sell a lot of that. And this is literally just the bag, the insulated bag that you put a casserole dish in. This was one of the things that I would have paid $3 something an item. It sold for $29.95. That includes shipping, but it's super lightweight. It'll be about 2 pounds to ship that out. And coincidentally, on my haul from my yard sales, you'll see some of the actual Temptations cookware, or not cookware, they're like the little pans and things I got for an amazing deal at a yard sale this weekend, so I'm excited to put those up. This is another item that I got from Liquidations. It's Meta dietary supplements. I had a big pile of dietary supplements, whey protein, things like that, that for some reason I've been sitting on forever. I put them up and literally they have all sold in a matter of a week. So this I think was the very last one that I had, $18.95. And as you can see, and I do state this in here, the boxes have damage. You can see there. I try to give as much, as many pictures as I can so that people can actually see what they're getting. But here's the expiration. It doesn't expire until February 2021. So it's still good, and it gives people a better deal than they can get on their own. And then the last item I want to show you today, I want to make this short and sweet today, is this cool werewolf costume. It has this, I should have led with this picture because it looks way cooler than the other ones. He has this, the fur around the arms and on the chest, but the mask makes him, he is super cool looking. You can see there. Scary, and I guess with coronavirus it's better to have a full face mask because you're covered than not. But here's the back of his head. It's all furry. It's really, really cool. So if you have any costumes, make sure those are on super fast because you're already into October and people need a chance to get it. I don't know how much trick-or-treating is going to be happening. I know I'm going to buy candy for the kids in our neighborhood. So hopefully we get some, and we'll make sure we practice social distancing and all that kind of good stuff. But we'll see what the month holds. So I sold 16 items so far this weekend, $449.59. My cost of goods was really, really low. So I'm happy with that. I haven't been listing a whole ton this weekend, so not every weekend can be $1,000 weekend. I wish I was to that point, but I'm a part-time seller. So, but I wanted to give away our Ikea bag from the other day. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give away 2. So I'm going to do the drawing, and let me get set up for that. Okay guys, I'm going to pick the winners for the Ikea bags. I'll be sending out the winners this week. So if you win, make sure you contact me with your address so I can get this out to you. So let's click over here to put in our link for the last video, and we're going to make sure you said Ikea. And I believe there were 10 comments, and here we go. Are you ready? Let's see who our first winner is. Nadia.com, you're our first winner. Congratulations, Nadia. And then our second winner, are you ready? Hopefully it's you, is Lee Garrett. I love Ikea too, LOL. Well, thank you so much, Lee and Nadia. Thank you so much for watching. I will contact you both if I can. If not, make sure that you contact me. You can send a message to AngieResells@gmail.com, or you can comment below or send me a message here, and we will get your bags out to you. I love doing giveaways. It's like one of the highlights for me of doing YouTube. Well, I have a lot coming up this week. I want to share with you some of the things that I got at garage sales because I found some really great items, and I'm going to get busy today listing, which is something that I have not been doing most of the week, so that's what I'm going to be doing this afternoon. Hey, if you like this content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. I'm still a newbie and just trying to get my channel to grow. But if you do like my content and like to see what I sold, make sure you subscribe, and you can hit the bell notification to be notified when I go live. All right, have a great Sunday, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.